Earlier, we have uploaded the files to the Azure storage via RESTful APIs. Now in this lesson, we're going to make our code reusable. Right now you can see that if we want to upload the files, then we need to use this logic inside our controller class. Now suppose if we have two controllers like song and artist, and we want to store the files in the Azure container, then it means we need to add this code into different controllers. So instead of repeating the code, let's reuse it. How we can reuse this code? We're gonna create a new folder and name it helpers. Then inside this helpers folder, let's add a class and name it file helper. Alright, now inside this file helper class, let's add a method and we're gonna name it upload image. Okay, now let's copy the image uploading code which we have used in the songs controller and then paste it inside this method. Here I want to tell you that this absolute URI will return the image URL which is of type string. So let's make the return type of this method to string. And you can see that this call is awaitable, which means we need to use the async keyword and make the return type of this method to task of string. Now in this upload image method, let's pass the parameter of type form file, resolve the namespace, and we name this parameter to file. Now this get blob client will take this file parameter and from the controller we'll call this upload image method and we'll pass the song.file parameter. If we want to call this method inside the controller, then we first need to create an object of this file helper class. But if we will add the keyword static along with this class and this method, then instead of creating an object of this class, we can simply call this method via class name. Alright, so we'll use the static keyword along with this class and this method. Alright, now let's go to the controller class. And first of all, let's remove this code for file uploading. And then we'll use the file helper, resolve the namespace, and then call the upload image method, which will take the parameter of type form file. Okay, let's use this song and then pick image property. Now this upload image method will return the image URL in string format. So we'll store the result in a variable and name it image URL. Then we use this image URL here. Alright, so you see how easy it is to reuse our code. Now we can reuse this file uploading code in some other controller as well. Alright, that's all from this lesson. Now I will see you in the next section.